Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to discuss an opportunity provided by Deloitte where companies looking for data analyst. In our recently uploaded video, we have discussed the opportunity provided by CoinDCX. In case if you have missed that video and if you are willing to apply for that opportunity, we will be providing the link in the description and in the I button. After watching this video, if you feel that you are right candidate for the opportunities, then you can apply for free. Company is not charging any single penny, so be aware of scam, and this video is strictly for educational and information purpose. You can cross verify before applying. Also, if you are visiting our channel for the very first time, then I request you to subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon. You will be getting all the latest notification from our side. We are already building a global community on WhatsApp channel and Telegram community. So if you want to be the part of this movement, then you can join and follow the channel. It is absolutely free to join and it is invite only membership, means the person or candidate who will be joining at present, they will be lifelong free member for our community and they can access all the percent benefit. You will be finding the link of joining and following in the video description itself, along with the direct application link of the particular opportunity. So let's connect to our screener where we'll be seeking all the necessary details. Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. As you can see that we are on the Deloitte official website where the careers section you are seeking an opportunity. Job title will be TNT Cyber DPT Data Privacy Bangalore. I know it is very complicated title and it is not understandable at first go, but I will be sharing you all the details which is required for this opportunity. Job ID is 101445. It is helpful when you are applying for the referral or the existing eligible employees which are referring you. Make sure that you are sharing this unique job ID. It is recently posted and location is Delhi and designation is analyst. So you can also tell it as a data analyst. So the Deloitte team, it helps organization prevent cyber attacks and protect valuable asset. We believe in being secure, vigilant and resilient not only by looking at how to prevent and respond to attacks, but at how to manage cyber risk in a way that allows you to unleash new opportunities. Embedded cyber risk at the start of the strategic development for more effective management of information and technology risk. Learn more about the cyber security. So I know that I have spelled it very fast because it is the basic rule. We will be sharing with the direct application link. You can take your time and you can make it understandable, but in this video we will be sharing with the quick opportunity update. Your work profile: as a consultant in a cyber team, you will be building and nurturing positive working relationship with teams and clients with the intention to exceed client expectation, develop data protection policies and procedure in accordance with privacy laws and regulation for a client. You will be conducting assessment to identify potential data privacy and protection risk and develop mitigation strategies for a client as per their requirement. You will be also monitoring and evaluating data processing activities to ensure compliance with data protection law and company policy as per client requirement. Key skill will include minimum of 2+ years of experience in data protection or privacy compliance, CIPT, CPM, CP or any other related certification preferred, controlling cost center accounting, profit center accounting, internal orders, product costing, in-depth knowledge of data protection and laws regulation, particularly find the personal data protection bill in India. Next point include strong analytical and problem solving skill, bachelor degree in law, information technology or related field, excellent communication and interpersonal abilities to work independently and collaboratively in a fast-paced environment. If you want to apply, then you can apply using the button provided. If you're already having existing Deloitte account, careers account, then you can simply use that credential to sign in. If not, do not worry, you can create an account in couple of minutes and you can proceed with your application. We have covered all the important terms and details for this opportunity. If you are still having query, then you can contact to our support team and they will be doing the needful. If you are having any career related queries or if you want and career counseling or mentorship call, then you can schedule it with me personally. You will be finding all the link along with the application link of today's video in the video description. Thank you so much for watching this video till end.